It's 5 a.m. and the floorboards are trembling, but they don't nearly know the fear I feel right now. My bed coasts like a boat out on the ocean. The pictures fall and the windows all blow out. And there's nothing I can do, nothing I can do, when everything I know has gone to pieces. And all I've learned to love falls in the sea. I'm crying out to God in heaven, save me from the world I've known and the world that's left to be. It doesn't take long to reprioritize when the highway out my window just collapsed, and the houses down my street are falling to their feet, and the rocks have made my car in no time flat. And there's nothing I can do, nothing I can do, when everything I know has gone to pieces. And all I've learned to love falls in the sea. I'm crying out to God in heaven, save me from the world I've known and the world that's left to be. My baby down the hall just laughs at it all. Her crib becomes a teacup spinning round. But this Disneyland was built on sand, and there's no mercy to be found underneath the angry ground. And there's nothing I can do, nothing I can do, when everything I know has gone to pieces. And all I've learned to love falls in the sea. I'm crying out to God in heaven, save me from the world I've known and the world that's left to be. As the Pacific helps itself to all our trees, when this all is done, I hope I'm still